What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, I'm Bea Bianca. So, today I'm going to show you how to create a multiple OS installer in RUFUS. So, let's go! So, in creating multiple installer in RUFUS, so I'm gonna show you. First, click the RUFUS. And then, the device, your flash drive name. My flash drive name is Win Setup. It's 16 gig. And boot selection, this or ISO image. Then, let's select the Windows 7 or the operating system you want to boot. So, open. Then, in partition scheme, there are two types, but in here is MBR. But I'm gonna show you to how to see if what partition scheme you're going to use. So this partition, search in the search bar, this partition, and then wait. So these two properties, and then volumes, and you're gonna see here the in partition style, which is MBR. So okay, then start. Then you will see here a warning, so just press. So that's all for today. I hope guys you learn how to create a multiple OS installer in RUFUS, and that's all. So by the way, shout out to Mildred and Ron Joseph. Thank you for the moral support, guys. So, that's all. Bye! See you on my next vlog.